Hey there, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of Fifine T669, the mic. So let's get straight into it. So now, as you have obviously seen, I've already unboxed and set it up. So I'm gonna roll the unboxing and the setup process so that you go watch that and be back. I'll be waiting for you. So as you saw, the box contains all the necessary things to set this up, including the pop filter, the sponge filter, the extra tripod, and the stand for that, and the boom pole and everything. It has a user guide. It even has extra, these rubber things. Like if you see here, a rubber thing holds this here, so there is extra of those. There is extra padding that goes in here. So basically it's a great package for the price, and since it's below 4,000, it is great. So and obviously, as you can hear, I am recording everything through the this microphone, and for samples I'll just play the audio from my previous video, which I recorded through a lapel mic, and I did some noise cancellation, actually a lot of noise cancellation, to get it in that form. It was very terrible. I'll just play it now. It has two levels and can also be turned off completely, which is good. It has big arrow keys, as you can see. So as you saw, that was terrible audio, and now you can see the quality of this audio. And right now I'm not doing any kind of noise corrections or audio corrections or lifting or decreasing of the volume or anything at all. It's just directly recorded to the Audacity and through the mic. And another thing about this mic is that it has a gain controller here in this mic itself as a knob. So if I want to say decrease the volume because I'm gonna talk loudly, or I'm a person who's talking loudly is using this mic, I can just reduce the volume like this. So as you can see, I'm talking the same level, but the volume you are hearing, and probably now it would have been muted in between because I went all the way down. So that's the point of it. Like now I'm thing. So you'll be wondering what I said. I said that I was cut off, I was muted, because I muted it physically. So that is a good thing. You don't have to go into the software and decrease the gain or anything. You have the control there itself. Now I'll be doing a detailed review with all the tests and comparisons and stuff, but for the time being I'll just do a few quick tests by just removing this pop filter and seeing how it sounds. So now I'm talking without the pop filter, so you can see that will be more audible probably. So that is why we use a pop filter. And now next I'm going to remove the sponge filter and show you how it sounds. So now I've removed the pop filter, and this is how it'll sound. I think maybe I can use this for some ASMR. I don't know, I've not tried it. I'll have to try it. So like the closer you bring it, the louder you'll get the audio. So you can again reduce the gain if you want. And now let me just throw on this back again, and or maybe let me just try with just the pop filter. So with the pop filter, this is how it will sound without the sponge filter. So I hope it sounds good. I hope it increases the quality of my videos, because I got a lot of complaints last time that the audio was not great and stuff. And even like last time I streamed, I had complaints saying that I was not clear, I was not audible. So I hope this sorts out everything. And so yeah, that is my first impressions. Actually, yeah, I didn't talk about the boom pole. The boom pole is very strong, reduces the vibrations and everything. And since I have extra these ribbons and all, I don't have to be worried that I lose, it'll break over time and then I'll be stuck with a not working one. But like, it's good, it's strong, it holds on to the table very good. It's easy to mount if you have like a proper place to mount it, instead of in between the wall and all, like I had to do it. But generally it's an easy setup process, and if you don't want to rig it up like this and all, you can just always use this. So that's easy. You can just unscrew the mic from here and screw it on here, and basically you can like loosen this up and put it like that, and you can just set it up and use it however you want. So if you are not if you're on the move and like you want to use the mic on the move, you can use this tripod. Or like if you want a permanent setup, you can do like I did. Also with this, the boom pole, you can like move it around a lot, like it goes a lot of places. And since this pop filter is attached to the arm, it doesn't cause any problem. The cable is extra long, it's like very really long. I'll put the correct dimension here, but yeah, it's really long, and that's very useful. And as you can see here, like I'll show you an example. There is a lot of control because I can actually like do this, okay, and on top of that I can loosen this part. I forgot which side it was to loosen. Yeah, okay, like this. And I can like arrange it this way. So if I say I wanted to like go further out, I could do this, and I could just tighten this up, and now I have the mic even further away. Like I can tighten it nice and tight, and I have it further away, so like I can have this pole stay out of the way even more. So like, yeah, there is a lot of customizations in the position you can do, and overall I feel that the audio quality from the mic is good, because I did try it out. I've been trying I actually recorded the unboxing video a few days back, which is why you'll see me in a different t-shirt. I actually recorded that once, and like I didn't feel good about it, so I just thought I'll just record this part again. So basically, yeah, that's my first impressions and unboxing of the Fifine T669. And if you want to buy it, I'll give link in the description, and so you can go there, buy, and most probably it'll be an affiliate link. So if you use that, I'll get a small commission from the company, which is Amazon or Flipkart, where you choose to buy. I think it's not there on Flipkart. I bought it from Amazon for something like 3,500 something, or 3,800 something actually. Then actually there is another model of this called the K668, I believe, which does not come with the boom pole or the pop filter and all. I think it doesn't even have the sponge filter, but it comes with this tripod and this mount here. So if you're like you don't want to spend 3,500 plus rupees on the mic, you can just go for that. That is around like 3,200 something, I think. So that's it for today. You can watch more videos here and in the descriptions, and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section, and like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.